Hey guys, it's good to see you again. It's been a while. I'm pretty sure that most of you can be in agreement that we're glad that 2020 is over and 2021 is here. And I got some great news to start out with 2021. We crossed the 3,000 subscriber line today for GB Conversions and Adventures. Thank you to all you viewers that have trusted me with your click on the subscription button. So what's going to be different in 2021? Well, we've still got to finish this pop-up here. I've got to do the beds. I've got to do the top rebuild, and hopefully the canvas is on its way here. And then it'll be a matter of tightening up a few nuts and bolts, and this thing should be ready to go. So hopefully before spring break, that's the plan. As far as other projects, I've got some modifications I want to do on the cargo trailer camper. This year in June, we plan to be full-timers in some sort of travel trailer or cargo trailer or something. With all the virus in the pandemic, I think it would be healthier and safer for us to have a fully self-contained trailer with a shower and a toilet inside. We plan to be full-timing about a year and a half. We want to make trips through most of the western United States and up into Alaska. We might make a trip or two over to the Smoky Mountains. We like that area as well. I know this is not a how-to video, but I think it's important for me to tell you how much I really do appreciate you watching what I do and offering constructive criticism. I've learned quite a bit from my viewers and a lot of suggestions here. So stay with me in 2021. I've got lots more videos to come.